In this installment, I'm going to talk about the workflow that I employed in the creation of the people that populate the streets of Times Square. And there's a few hundred people there, of which 150 of them are recognizable. I'll zoom in right here to the central area where I see myself. I'm taking a picture of my wife. What I'm going to teach you here is all these steps that went into creating these people and making them look real. Things like the hair, whether it's loose and flowing, tied or heavily gelled, all the tools and techniques that went into that is what you're going to learn here. We're going to talk about the eyes, how to make them shimmer and come to life, how to make the lips look moist, how to get the contours of the face which really describe the features of a person and make them look like who they are. Their clothing, how the folds of the fabric just flows on the body. These are all techniques that you're going to learn in this installment. Now keep in mind that the techniques can be applied in other ways. A slight change here and there can totally change the effect. So let's go in there and look at these techniques, see the workflow, see all the different tools that are employed to make these people come to life, and see what kind of population you can create.